Guys, here I'm back with a new DIY hair mask which I've been using since a very long time, and trust me guys, if you have any scalp related infections, if your hair is not growing after a minimum length, then this mask will definitely do its job. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here I'm done with the mask application, and this mask needs to be applied on your hair for near about 20 to 30 minutes, and after that you can wash your hair with any mild shampoo. Now I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll be right back. If you like this video and wanna see more, then do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and also you can share this video with your friends. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then,